Hey everybody, Team Taylor here, just inviting you to another buyer workshop now that Snowmageddon has passed and most of the snow has melted. Life is starting to get back to normal again. I hope everybody has power and everybody's safe and made it through okay. We went a few days with no power.
Not as
Got
bad
lucky.
as last time.
Got lucky this year. Last year was like 11 days with no power. It was crazy, but we got kind of lucky this year. Very blessed. No trees came down or anything like that on our property. So hope everybody's doing well and getting back to normal. And
so if you've been thinking about buying a house and you're wondering where do I start, this is where you start.
Right.
So when is it?
It's going to be Thursday the 23rd.
At what time?
At 6 o'clock.
Where?
Berkshire Hathaway, which is located in Grass Valley at 426 Sutton Way, and that's Suite 114. And we'll be there. We'll have our lender here, and we might have some other surprise guests here to answer any questions. Like buying a home can feel challenging, and it's hard to know where to begin. So, is 2023 still a good time to buy a home? With flattening prices and interest rates, what should I expect the housing market to do in the short and long run? What type of loan should you get? What are the steps of the process?
Wondering about credit?
Right.
What do I do?
Right.
What kind of rate?
Yeah.
How much money do I need down? Oh, there's going to be a new program that's going to be announced too.
Oh, for first-time home buyers.
Yes.
So that's going to be
you definitely
awesome.
want to come. It's really cool.
Yep.
You basically, the gist of it, I'm not going to give away the exact details, are that you can have 20% down without actually bringing 20% to the table that you pay off at the end of your loan. But we'll let our lender tell you more about that. It's amazing.
Not the end of escrow, but the end of your loan.
End of your
if you
loan,
end up
or
selling
if
the
you sell,
house.
then that would just come out of your
Pretty
proceeds.
awesome. Pretty awesome. And there's other awesome loan programs out there. So
there's something for everyone.
Yep. Some of them are designed to battle the higher rates now, and so yeah, it'll be very interesting. You'll learn a lot. It'll be fun. It's very casual and kick back and
We
very
just sit around the
informative.
table, have snacks, drinks,
Yeah.
chat, ask questions, go over some things, and we do really believe truly that the first step to building wealth for yourself and or for your family is home buying. So definitely
Gotta get in the game.
This is definitely the best place to start to help do that for your family. So come on out, find out what is the first step to buying a house. We'll see you guys on Thursday,
All
6
right.
p.m.
Bye.
Bye.